Darwin on Man, 1974, is a collection of Charles Darwin's early notebooks, edited by Paul Barrett and featuring an introduction by the American cognitive scientist Howard Gruber. These previously unpublished notebooks, known to scholars as the MNN notebooks, contain Darwin's reflections and ideas from his 30th year, when he first conceived the theory of natural selection. Gruber's introduction, titled A Psychological Study of Scientific Creativity, examines Darwin's thought processes as captured in these notebooks, aiming to offer a broader theory of scientific discovery. The New York Times praised the volume, claiming it seals the coffin of Darwin's detractors by conclusively showing that Darwin, historically seen as a methodical collector of facts, was in fact an imaginative innovator on par with figures like Newton and Einstein. Gruber's introduction makes two key arguments about human creativity. The first challenges the common notion that major scientific breakthroughs arise from sudden eureka moments, citing stories like Archimedes in his bath or Newton under the apple tree. The second refutes the idea that such discoveries are the result of a rare, innate genius. Instead, Gruber suggests that significant ideas emerge from processes accessible to everyone, through hard work, creative speculation, and logical reasoning. Gruber begins by revisiting what is often referred to as Darwin's eureka moment, which occurred on September 28, 1838, after Darwin read the work of demographer Thomas Malthus for amusement. Malthus's description of the harsh consequences of population growth, where scarcity leads to the elimination of the weakest, sparked in Darwin the insight that natural selection could act as a creative force. While Darwin had been familiar with Malthus's ideas, it was the dramatic language that inspired him to develop the concept of natural selection. Gruber then traces Darwin's earlier notebooks to show that this moment of inspiration was not sudden, but the result of a long process of thought and revision. A year earlier, Darwin had begun his notebook on transmutation and had discarded at least two alternative theories in the meantime. Gruber attempts to reconstruct one of these theories, a monad theory, where basic life forms exist with fixed lifespans and die simultaneously. In doing so, he demonstrates that Darwin's creative process, far from being the result of a unique genius, followed patterns familiar to all of us, though highly refined and rigorously applied. Gruber concludes that Darwin's path to the theory of natural selection was slow, deliberate, and conscious. When Darwin finally arrived at his groundbreaking theory, he did not record any sense of triumph or a flash of insight. Rather, he saw it as the outcome of consistent, patient effort, a discovery built on years of hard work and thoughtful exploration. Gruber and Barrett title the MNN notebooks, the notebooks on man, mind, and materialism, referencing Darwin's own description of them as full of metaphysics on morals. These early writings reveal Darwin's belief in an evolutionary continuity between humans and other animals, challenging the notion that this idea emerged only under external pressure. The notebooks also demonstrate that, contrary to accusations of emotional detachment, Darwin had a deep appreciation for the arts and philosophy. His notes show that he engaged with a wide range of thinkers, from Plato, Locke, and Hume, to Montaigne, Lessing, and the epic poet Edmund Spenser. Darwin's reflections on Spenser's portrayal of rage seem to anticipate his later work on the physiology of emotion. In one passage, Darwin compares his imaginative connection with nature to that of the poet Wordsworth, writing, "I, a geologist, have ill-defined notion of land covered with ocean, former animals, slow force cracking surface, etc. Truly poetical, v. Wordsworth about sciences being sufficiently habitual to become poetical. The botanist might so view plants and trees. I am sure I remember my pleasure in Kensington Gardens has often been greatly excited by looking at trees as great compound animals, united by a wonderful and mysterious manner. There is much imagination in every view." Following his discovery of natural selection, the notebooks reveal Darwin reconsidering human behavior in light of his new theory, touching on philosophical inquiries like the nature of beauty, and even recording a report about a Shrewsbury gentleman unnatural union with turkey cock. The notebooks also provide insight into Darwin's materialism, revealing that his skepticism about the existence of a non-material mind or soul made him hesitant to share his ideas publicly. While other contemporary evolutionary theories also existed, they tended to regard human consciousness as something special, non-material, and beyond explanation. Darwin, in contrast, sought to explain consciousness through natural processes, and it was this materialist perspective that caused him to hesitate about publishing his work. At one point, Darwin warns himself, "To avoid stating how far I believe in materialism, say only that emotions, instincts, and degrees of talent which are hereditary are so because the brain of the child resembles that of the parent stock." However, the notebooks leave little doubt about the extent of his materialist beliefs. As Darwin writes, "Experience shows the problem of the mind cannot be solved by attacking the citadel itself. The mind is a function of the body." I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.